Hey, good morning. I'll tell you, it really hurts when snowflakes come at you at 70 miles an hour and hit you in the face. No surprise, because it is a shard of ice, right? But we're definitely feeling that out here this morning. We are on Beach Ave in Kennebunk. As you can see, we got big breaking waves now. They're a good 15 foot just off the shore, and we're definitely seeing a lot of waves splashing over here onto Beach Ave, where there's still a lot of significant damage from our last couple of coastal flooding events. There's a lot of water on the road here on Beach Ave, and we're continuing to see the big waves. The tide has just turned. We hit high tide, so now the camera almost just went over because of a big old wind gust. So the water will start to recede now. We're still going to be dealing with the big waves here through the day today, but as the tide starts to go out, we'll see that water that has inundated the roads start to pool out. But look at the damage on Beach Ave here from our last couple of coastal storms. Folks are still just trying to clean up from what we got hit with in January, and now we're dealing with another round of storm surge. We did measure a 70-mile-an-hour wind gust here with Tracker 8, so no surprise that that wind is pushing the water up onto shore and causing a little bit of a storm surge here. Luckily, no major flooding that we're hearing about as of right now, but the typical problem areas that deal with water coming in at king tides is where we're seeing, like here on Beach Ave in Kennebunk, the water on the road. Definitely big waves and big wind out here. In fact, my photographer Joanna got hit in the face with a chunk of ice that was flying through the wind because of the wind down here at the beach. Good 60 to 70 mile an hour wind gusts will do that, and almost makes you feel unsteady on your feet at times as well. But again, we've hit high tide now, so the tide is going to start to go out, and we'll see the water that is on the roads here start to recede a little bit. Not something that they're unfamiliar with here in the Kennebunk area, but we are expecting as the day goes on that the roads here will have less and less water on them, and things will be opening up for us once again. Man, those wind gusts definitely trying to knock me off my feet, bringing those snowflakes right into hitting me in the face. It's rough out here this morning. Classic New England nor'easter with the wind, the storm surge, and let's not forget the snow. It's still falling here as well. You'll notice the road is very warm here in Kennebunk, so that is helping with road conditions. And actually, as we go through the day today, as temperatures rise a little bit, the road temperature will get warmer, so that should help with travel conditions as we go through the day, but we're not going to be done with the snow anytime soon. Continuing to fall through the day today. Reporting live in Kennebunk, meteorologist Colleen Hurley, Maine's Total Weather.